Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do laundry while you're staying at any of the Walt Disney World resorts. So in this video, we're actually staying at the French Quarter Port Orleans, but all of the washers and dryers really work the exact same way no matter where you're staying. So once you get your laundry loaded, detergent in there, as you see, I'm actually using the detergent that is for sale in the laundry room. It only costs about $1 out of a vending machine. From there, there's actually a QR code on the washing machine that you're going to scan with your phone. And once you scan it, it takes you to this screen. It shows you how much it costs, which is $3.50 total. And you can pay for that using Apple Pay if you're using an iPhone, Google Pay if you have an Android, or you can simply just insert a credit card or debit card. Please note, you can't use cash. You have to use this method to pay for the laundry. Then once you have confirmed your payment method and it processes, you will get this screen where basically it's pretty easy. It says press start on washer 49. So you will just go back to your washing machine, close it up, then you're going to select what cycle you want or any other options you want, and then hit start. And it'll show that you have 29 minutes until your laundry is ready to switch over to the dryers. And what's nice is if you look at your phone back on that screen, it shows you how long you have until your laundry is ready. And so it's nice, you can go back to your room, you can go to the pool, and when it's done, it actually sends you a notification, if you allow it, to let you know when it's done, so you can run back and switch it. And drying your clothes is just as easy as washing them. So once you load them over into a dryer, you will find the QR code on the dryer, scan it with your phone. Once again, it will take you to this screen. Now, the only difference here is you have to make sure you select whether your clothes are in the top dryer or the bottom dryer. And once you do that, you'll do the same payment options, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or input your credit card information. And once that payment has processed, just like before, a big press start screen will appear on your phone. So then you just have to go back to the correct dryer and make sure you select whatever option you want. And once you decide which drying option you want, it's important to select the correct dryer, whether it's upper or lower. As you can see, I almost picked the upper dryer there. But once you hit the lower dryer, then you'll hit the start button on the dryer. And as you can see, it goes for 60 minutes of drying time. And again, it shows up on your phone as a countdown, so you can see exactly how long you have until the drying is done. So you can go off and do something fun while your clothes are drying, and you'll get a notification when it's done, so you can come back and collect it. Okay, so the biggest thing I want you to take away from this video is that doing laundry while you're visiting a Disney World resort is super easy. It's all managed through a QR code that you scan while you're on one of the machines. And don't worry, if you get confused, there's actually a little sign in the room that shows you what to do. But honestly, it couldn't be easier. And I did like that you didn't have to download an app to do it. But remember, you cannot use cash while doing laundry. You have to use a credit card or debit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay through your smartphone. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask below, and I promise to answer them. Bye.